Riding the wave, understanding an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, riding the wave. This idiom is not only popular but also rich in meaning and usage. So, if you're ready to expand your English skills, let's get started. Riding the wave is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. Imagine a surfer skillfully moving along the crest of a wave in the ocean. This imagery is a metaphor for adapting to and taking advantage of a situation or trend. It often implies going along with the flow of events or circumstances without trying to change them. The idiom, riding the wave, likely has its origins in surfing culture, which became popular in the 20th century. It mirrors the surfer's skill of navigating and utilizing the power of ocean waves. This concept was then metaphorically applied to life situations, suggesting a strategy of harnessing and utilizing the momentum of events around us. 1. In business, the company is riding the wave of the latest technological advancements to boost its sales. 2. In personal life, after his book became a bestseller, he's just riding the wave of success and enjoying the attention. 3. In social trends, many influencers are riding the wave of the latest viral challenge to gain more followers. Going with the flow. This implies a more passive approach but similar in the sense of moving along with the circumstances. Capitalizing on a trend. More focused on taking advantage of a specific popular trend. Surfing the wave, a variation of the idiom that retains the surfing analogy. And that's a wrap on the idiom, riding the wave. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this colorful expression in the English language. Remember, language learning is like surfing. It's all about catching the right wave and enjoying the ride. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!